हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे चैप्टर 6 पार्ट सी ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड. इट इज इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ प्रोसीजर फॉर issuing proclamation of absconding person and attachment of his properties, objections for release, sale and restoration of attached property, appeal etc. इसमें हम सेक्शन 82 से 86 तक प्रोविजंस देखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम सेक्शन 82 जानेंगे क्या है. सेक्शन 82 प्रोक्लेमेशन फॉर पर्सन एब्सकॉन्डिंग. एज पर सबसेक्शन 1, if any court has reason to believe, whether after taking evidence or not, that any person against whom a warrant has been issued by it has absconded or is concealing himself so that such warrant cannot be executed, such court may publish a written proclamation requiring him to appear at a specified place and at a specified time not less than 30 days from the date of publishing such proclamation. As per subsection 2, the proclamation shall be published as follows. 1a. It shall be publicly read in some conspicuous place of the town or village in which such person ordinarily resides. B. It shall be affixed to some conspicuous part of the house or homestead in which such person ordinarily resides, or to some conspicuous place of such town or village. C. A copy thereof shall be affixed to some conspicuous part of the courthouse. 2. The court may also, if it thinks fit, direct a copy of the proclamation to be published in a daily newspaper circulating in the place in which such person ordinarily resides. As per subsection 3, a statement in writing by the court issuing the proclamation to the effect that the proclamation was duly published on a specified day in the manner specified in clause 1 of subsection 2 shall be conclusive evidence that requirements of this section have been complied with and that the proclamation was published on such day. As per subsection 4, where a proclamation published under subsection 1 is in respect of a person accused of an offence punishable under section 302, 304, 364, 367, 382, 392, 393, 394, 395, 6, 7, 8, 399, 400, 402, 436, 449, 459 or 460 of the Indian Penal Code, and such person fails to appear at the specified place and time required by the proclamation, the court may, after making such inquiry as it thinks fit, pronounce him a proclaimed offender and make a declaration to that effect. As per subsection 5, the provisions of subsection 2 and 3 shall apply to a declaration made by the court under subsection 4 as they apply to the proclamation published under subsection 1. तो एक था प्रोसीजर एंड रिक्वायरमेंट, टाइम एंड इसका क्या क्या होना चाहिए उसमें, इसके बारे में प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ एब्सकॉन्डिंग पर्सन का प्रोसीजर, और वो कोर्ट कब डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं उसको एब्सकॉन्डिंग पर्सन, इसके बारे में था. अब हम देखेंगे सेक्शन 83 अटैचमेंट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पर्सन एब्सकॉन्डिंग. किन सर्कमस्टेंसेस में एब्सकॉन्डिंग पर्सन की प्रॉपर्टी अटैच हो सकती है, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे सेक्शन 83 में. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 83 सबसेक्शन 1, द कोर्ट इशूइंग अ प्रोक्लेमेशन अंडर सेक्शन 82 में, for reasons to be recorded in writing at any time after the issue of the proclamation, order the attachment of any property, movable or immovable or both belonging to the proclaimed person. Movable or immovable both belonging to the proclaimed person, property attached हो सकती है after recording reasons in writing, provided that where at the time of issue of proclamation the court is satisfied by affidavit or otherwise that the person in relation to whom the proclamation is to be issued A is about to dispose of the whole or any part of his property, or B is about to remove the whole or any part of his property from the local jurisdiction of the court. It may order the attachment simultaneously with the issue of proclamation. Proclamation के साथ साथ ही attachment का order भी हो सकता है इन circumstances में. As per subsection 2, such order shall authorize the attachment of any property belonging to such person within the district in which it is made, and it shall authorize the attachment of any property belonging to such person without such district when endorsed by the district magistrate within whose jurisdiction such property is situated. As per subsection 3, if the property ordered to be attached is a debt or other movable property, the attachment under this section shall be made A by seizure, or B by the appointment of a receiver, or C by an order in writing prohibiting the delivery of such property to the proclaimed person or to anyone in his behalf, or D by all or any two of such methods as the court thinks fit. As per subsection 4, if the property ordered to be attached is immovable, the attachment under this section shall, in the case of land paying revenue to the state government, be made through collector of the district in which the land is situated, and in all other cases A by taking possession, or B by the appointment of a receiver, or C by an order in writing prohibiting the payment of rent or delivery of property to the proclaimed person or to anyone on his behalf, or D by all or any two of such methods as the court thinks fit. तो ये था मूवेबल और इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी का जो अटैचमेंट है उसके बारे में, जो प्रोसीजर क्या होता है उसके बारे में. एज पर सबसेक्शन 5, इफ द प्रॉपर्टी order to be attached consists of livestock or is of a perishable nature, the court may, if it thinks it expedient, order immediate sale thereof, and in such case the proceeds of the sale shall abide the order of the court. As per subsection 6, the powers, duties and liabilities of a receiver appointed under this section shall be the same as those of a receiver appointed under the code of civil procedure. As per civil code procedure, जो कमिश्नर रिसीवर अपॉइंट किया जाता है उस प्रकार का ही रिसीवर सेक्शन में भी अपॉइंट किया जा सकता है. अब हम देखेंगे सेक्शन 84, क्लेम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्शंस टू अटैचमेंट. ऑब्जेक्शंस क्लेम्स कैसे प्रीफर कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में क्या सर्कमस्टेंसेस दिए हुए, प्रोसीजर क्या है, ये हम जानेंगे सेक्शन 84 में. सेक्शन 84, क्लेम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्शंस टू अटैचमेंट. सबसेक्शन 1, इफ एनी क्लेम इज प्रीफर्ड to or objection made to the attachment of any property attached under section 83 within 6 months from the date of such attachment by any person other than the proclaimed person, on the ground that the claimant or objector has an interest in such property and that such interest is not liable to attachment under section 83, the claim or objection shall be inquired into and may be allowed or disallowed in whole or in part, provided that any claim preferred or objection made within the period allowed by this subsection may, in the event of death of the claimant or objector, be continued by his legal representative. As per subsection 2, the claim or objections under subsection 1 may be preferred or made in the court by which the order of attachment is issued, or if the claim or objection is in respect of property attached under an order endorsed under subsection 2 of section 83 in the court of chief judicial magistrate of the district in which the attachment is made. As per subsection 3, every such claim or objection shall be inquired into by the court in which it is preferred or made, provided that if it is preferred or made in the court of judicial magistrate, he may make it over for disposal to any magistrate subordinate to him. As per subsection 4, any person whose claim or objection has been disallowed in whole or in part by an order under subsection 1 may, within the period of 1 year from the date of such order, institute a suit to establish the right which he claims in respect of the property in dispute, but subject to the result of such suit, if any, order shall be conclusive. ये था claim or objections within 6 months आफ्टर अटैचमेंट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऑब्जेक्टर ने प्रीफर करना चाहिए इसके बारे में, और जिनका प्रोक्लेम पर्सन लेकिन इसके बारे में ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं क्लेम कर सकता है, जिनका भी उनको उस प्रॉपर्टी में इंटरेस्ट है वो ये ऑब्जेक्शंस रेज कर सकते हैं। इसके बारे में इनका प्रोसीजर और अपील के बारे में था। नाउ अब हम देखेंगे सेक्शन 85 रिलीज सेल एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ अटैच प्रॉपर्टी। किन सर्कमस्टेंसेस में रिलीज सेल एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ अटैच प्रॉपर्टी हो सकता है, इसके बारे में हम सेक्शन 85 में जानेंगे। एज पर सेक्शन 85 सबसेक्शन 1, इफ द प्रोक्लेम्ड पर्सन अपीयर्स विद इन द टाइम स्पेसिफाइड इन द प्रोक्लेमेशन, द कोर्ट शैल मेक एन ऑर्डर रिलीजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम द अटैचमेंट। एज पर सबसेक्शन 2, if the proclaimed person does not appear within the time specified in the proclamation, the property under the attachment shall be at the disposal of the state government, but it shall not be sold until the expiration of 6 months from the date of attachment and until any claim, preferred or objection made under section 84 has been disposed of under that section, unless it is subject to speedy and natural decay, or the court considers that the sale would be for the benefit of the owner, in either of which cases the court may cause it to be sold whenever it thinks fit. As per subsection 3, if within 2 years from the date of attachment, any person whose property is or has been at the disposal of state government under subsection 2 appears voluntarily or is apprehended and brought before the court by whose order the property was attached, or court to which such court is subordinate, and proves to the satisfaction of such court that he did not abscond or conceal himself for the purpose of avoiding execution of the warrant, and that he had not such notice of the proclamation as to enable him to attain within the time specified therein such property, or if the same has been sold, the net proceeds of the sale, or if part only thereof has been sold, the net proceeds of the sale and the residue of the property shall, after satisfying therefrom all costs incurred in consequence of the attachment, be delivered to him। तो ये तो सर्कमस्टांसेस रिलीज सेल एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ अटैच प्रॉपर्टी। प्रोक्लेम पर्सन अगर वो अपीयर होता है और फेल टू अपीयर इन सच सर्कमस्टांसेस, और क्यों वो अपीयर नहीं होते थे, इसके बारे में के रीज़न सेटिस्फाइड अगर होते हैं कोर्ट, तो इसके बारे में और उसके बाद में फिर रिलीज सेल एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ अटैच प्रॉपर्टी हो सकता है, इसके बारे में का प्रोविजन था सेक्शन 85 में। अब हम देखेंगे सेक्शन 86 अपील फ्रॉम ऑर्डर रिजेक्टिंग एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ अटैच प्रॉपर्टी। एनी पर्सन referred to in subsection 3 of section 85 who is aggrieved by any refusal to deliver property or the proceeds of the sale thereof may appeal to the court to which appeals ordinarily lie from the sentence of first mentioned court। तो इसमें जो अटैच प्रॉपर्टी है उसके बारे में का अपील भी अगर अगेंस्ट में एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट हुआ है तो उसके बारे में अपील भी किया जा सकता है, जहां ऑर्डिनरीली अपील होता है। तो ये था प्रोक्लेम्ड ऑफेंडर, उनकी अटैचमेंट, प्रॉपर्टी का कैसा अटैचमेंट होता है और प्रोक्लेमेशन कैसा इश्यू होता है, किन सर्कमस्टेंसेस में क्या होता है, इसके बारे में का सब प्रोविजंस और इसके बारे में की जानकारी। थैंक यू।